Narrator. Welcome to our video on unlocking the power of positive thinking. In a world filled with negativity, we're here to show you how a shift in mindset can change your life for the better. Cut to a montage of people looking stressed and unhappy. Narrator. Negative thinking can hold you back and prevent you from reaching your full potential. But with the power of positivity, anything is possible. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the benefits of positive thinking. Cut to the title screen. Unlocking the power of positive thinking. Voiceover. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have all the luck, while others are constantly facing challenges? The answer may lie in their mindset. Positive thinking has been linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced stress, improved mood, and increased resilience. Cut to a psychologist explaining the science behind positive thinking. Psychologist. When we think positively, our brains release chemicals that improve our overall well-being. This can lead to a more optimistic outlook on life and better coping mechanisms when faced with adversity. Voiceover. But positive thinking isn't just about feeling good. It can also help you achieve your goals and lead a more fulfilling life. By focusing on solutions rather than problems, you can overcome obstacles and reach new heights of success. Cut to a motivational speaker giving practical tips for incorporating positivity into daily life. Motivational speaker. One of the key principles of positive thinking is gratitude. By practicing gratitude on a daily basis, you can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. This simple exercise can have a profound impact on your happiness and overall well-being. Outro narrator. So there you have it, the power of positive thinking. By changing your mindset and embracing optimism, you can unlock a world of possibilities. Say goodbye to negativity and hello to a brighter, more fulfilling future. Thanks for watching. Cut to a motivational quote. Think positive, be positive, and positive things will happen. Voiceover. Don't let negative thoughts hold you back. Start practicing positive thinking today and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Remember, the power is in your hands. So go ahead. Unlock the power of positive thinking. End screen with the video title, Unlocking the Power of Positive Thinking.